In this video I want to show you how you're going to be able to do hopefully stem and leaf plots. We've kind of hit the perfect chapter for difficulty and how to do this e-learning thing, and making graphs and things is be a ton easier on a pen with a pencil and paper, but alas, we're going to try to do it via computer, so we're going to learn how to do this together. I'm going to show you how to do stem and leaf plots, hopefully using your computer and then turning them in. So to do that, you're going to use Sheets, I think. Okay, I think that'll be the best. And just open up a blank one, and you're going to get this blank spreadsheet. If you've never used it before, that's okay. It's not going to be that hard. So if you have not watched the video yet or had class yet on actually telling you what a stem and leaf plot is, that's okay. You're not going to understand maybe what it is, but this is just going to tell you how to make one, how to turn in your homework, not exactly what it is. So let's say you had to do, which you will have to do, number 8, in your homework, in your book. And so just in the first cell, just put number 8. You can put a dot there. Go down here. I won't like that. Actually, if you would just put 8 and apostrophe, yeah, that's a little bit better. Or 8 in a parenthesis, that's a little better. Come down here, put stem, put leaf, and let's say we're going to have 4 stems, so let's just come down here, highlight 4 of these boxes. If you go up here to this box right here, it says borders, click on it, and because we highlighted this, we want the line between the stem and the leaf to be bold, so that's going to be the left. And you can see that now we have a little darker line there. We also want a line underneath stem and the leaf, so we're going to highlight those 2 boxes, go to the borders, and click above, and there we have our stem and the leaf. Last thing I would ask you to do is if you just highlight all these boxes and just make them centered. So let me show you how to do that. So just click, hold, drag all the boxes. You're going to go over here to horizontal align, click the down arrow, click center, and now when we type in there, our text will be in the middle of the box. So let's say we have stems of 0, 1, 2, and 3, right? I don't know what they are. I'm just making numbers up. Okay. Now what you can do is you can go over here, and you can put your leaves in. Do 2, 3, 5, and 8, and 9. And we have here, let's say we just have a leaf of 1. Over here we have 0. No, we don't have any. Let's just pretend. And 0, and 0, and then, I don't know, 7. There you go. So there's my stem and leaf plot for number 8. So that's not the real one, but let's, I don't know, just for funsies say it is. Then over here, we're going to go on and do number 9. If you want to save yourself a little bit of time, this might save you time. You could just do select it all, right click, do copy, come over here, do paste. Nope. Alright. Sorry, I forgot. In Google Chrome or Google Sheets, you have to use all these shortcuts. So it's Control V, and then it will copy this, and then you could go back and just delete the data values, and then you could do the next one. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and you could go back and do it again. Okay, you change it if you need to. You could do number 10. You could do 10 down here if you wanted to, as long as it's nice and neat and organized. And or you could do 10 over here. I don't really care, just as long as it's nice, neat. And if it's too crazy, then I'll just send it back to you. Okay, tell you to redo it. You're gonna name it then page 352 and numbers 8. I don't know exactly what numbers it is, but let's just call it 8 through 11. It's going to be saved in your drive. Then what you can do is you'll come back over here. It's not going to be bollocks. It's not going to be in this video because I haven't unlocked it yet. You'll go to 7th grade math, and you'll go to the classwork. You'll go to stem and leaf plots, and there'll be a thing right here that shows you how to, or where you're going to turn it in. Okay, so you'll just go ahead and just turn in your work there. If you have any questions, let me know. Hopefully this video is helpful and explains what you need to know.